So, what's the plan?
Right.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to a bright, beautiful morning here at Klaus' house. Today we're going to show you the plan and actually more in-depth pictures of Klaus 2.0 because it was pretty dark in the last video. It's absolutely gorgeous engine bay. It's painted like this sapphire metallic, but I don't think that's going to look the best with that black hanging out and then the rest of the car red. I'm used to just Klaus's all red engine bay, which makes the parts pop. Let me know if we should paint it red or leave it this color. I don't know, but we'll have stuff we had to trim. This battery tray has got to get trimmed out. I got to drill some holes through this to get engine harnesses through. What else? We got to add the brake boosters. Reinforcement plates are all going to get added in to all of these. Obviously we'll be getting a new windshield, and it really sucks because we can't use Klaus's windshield, 1.0's windshield, because it's a sedan and the coupes are actually exactly the same as the sedans except for the roof line. This roof is about 1.5 inches lower to give the coupes more sleeker look, which then means that it's a completely different windshield. But other than that, the interior's all the same. You can also see that there is no interior whatsoever, so that's already done for us. Oh hey, an adjustable steering wheel mount. I didn't have that on the other one. Cool. Trans tunnel, I know we'll have to get notched and massaged for the T56 Magnum. All the doors will be coming off, of course, and if anyone needs any parts, let me know. We will have rear glass, trunk, doors, all kinds of stuff. Come over and get them. We'll have to cut out the spot for the radiator there. The seats should all bolt in. And as for this, because it's a 4-door, or it's a 2-door, not a 4-door, we should still be able to get the same line, because on Klaus 1.0 it basically stops and follows this line right here. So we might be able to drill out these spot welds and pop it off, or of course sawzall it out. That'll all get cut off, that'll all get cut off. This goes up like through right here. That'll all get cut. The fender well gets cut up, I believe like 2 or 3 inches. And for the back, of course, there'll be no glass. You can see about how much of the rear end gets cut off, about 1 inch from the gas cap lid over here. So about like right from there, that's how much I cut off for the other one. It'll go straight down in. Trunk's gone. I gotta measure it, but I believe it's about right here gets cut. Same thing over there gets cut. And then I cut following this line right over here. More reinforcements over there. More cutting down there. Lots of cutting. Same thing along, no bumpers, no doors, no anything. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun project.
How's that for a slice of fried gold?
Yeah, boy!
But hopefully it doesn't take us too long, because in a month is a race. October 16th is racing with the side-by-side blog guys, which I don't know if we're gonna make that event. We're gonna throw paddle tires on Klaus and do some sand dune racing, but we'll see. But definitely in 2 months is Cleats and Cars Florida, and we have to be there. The night before is the 24-hour relay mullets, and then right after that, the next day, is Cleats and Cars Florida, so we have to get that done. But you can kind of see where that'll get cut off. That's where I was telling you about, where it looks like we might be able to drill out spot welds, cut there, but it'll get cut off. As for today, which you'll see in the next video, we're going to start by blowing everything out of Klaus. Getting the engine, probably going to cut off the front bumper, just get everything out. We got a couple people coming over to help me, and we'll have food and some drinks, and I'm just like, hey, grab a tool, take off whatever part you want, get it labeled, bagged, thrown on the shelf. And that's our main goal for today, is just getting everything out of this chassis. We'll be cutting, I'm going to try to cut where the actual plates are, cut them off so we have more room to work with, because we'll take it to Mark Pinsky at Next Gen Fab. He's the one that built this cage in the first place. And we're just trying to do that because all this tube and steel has like doubled or tripled since I last built Klaus, and there's no way I could afford this much cage material again. So we're going to try to save what we can, and I'm hoping this entire swap project with all the new parts that we had to get, like the radiator and stuff, $500. I think we can be all done for like $500-600 bucks. Good one. Basically rust-free chassis. It'll be stronger, it'll be reinforced better, and open to like any other ideas while we're working on this. You guys are like, hey, you should try this, or you should do this. Give it a try. If it works, it's better. Not going to leave it the same. We got people saying, oh, Justin, you're just gonna leave it the same, right? You're not gonna do an exo cage on it. No, of course we're doing an exo cage. Duh. God, idiot.
Freaking idiot.
But yep, we're gonna go ahead and get started on it, and we will see you guys in the next video.